The Discovery introductory text and Discovery numbering are broken into two separate utilities in the Kwik Docs software. If I'm in a pleading that was created with Kwik Docs, I will have the pleading ribbon, and from there I can choose Discovery introductory text, and this dialog box comes up. Now you have whatever categories your firm has wanted to set up. Our default are for California Superior Court and U.S. District Court. Some firms do by practice area though, say litigation and family law. You can have as many categories as you want. Then you're either propounding or responding. I'll say we're propounding and I'll do requests for admissions, but based on what you choose here, that determines what options you have. And then the options that you have are just what your firm has set up, or if you're going with our default, I sent a list of all that we have. Okay, so I'll do requests for admission. Any changes I want to make to this area, I can. What you do see was pulled from the pleading that I'm in. I have my cursor where I want this. I choose OK. And it inserts it and then fills the information in based on what I put. Now this text is in templates that you can open and edit yourselves if you'd like, or if you don't like the way some things are worded, you can have us change. And you can see as I scroll down, this is all that is here for the introduction, the introductory text. If you want something different, we can do it. I just need a sample of each one that you want. Now to do the actual numbering, under Pleadings Discovery, we have a macro discovery numbering. And what this does is it lets you choose the type of numbering you want to do. And if it's not in here, you can type anything you want in here. You don't have to pick off this list. And then you can decide, do you want to include responses or not? Or if you are only doing responses, you can choose that. I will do requests for admission with the responses. You can tell it how many you want. Let's say I know that I want 8 of these. And if there's a reason why you're not starting at 1, maybe this is set 2, then you can just tell it what number you want to start at. Say create, and it's going to insert those. Then you can type between them. And these are in fields, sequence number fields are what are being used here. Now, I'm going to delete this text out, and as long as we're talking about discovery, just show a couple other features that we have. In addition to the introductory text and the discovery numbering, we also have response to form interrogatories. And we have the regular California form Rogs, the family law, employment law, and you're not seeing it here, but I'll add it. We also have construction law or construction defect, whichever it is. So I'll just do the regular garden variety form interrogatories. I've got my cursor where I want them once again in the pleading. This comes up. It will pull information from the pleading. If you don't like what it thinks should go, you can change it. And we'll say that I forget who's who with these parties. Choose OK. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Before I choose OK, here under interrogatories are all the different form interrogatories. And we've got them grouped. So let's say you know that you don't need any of section 4 or 6 or 12 and you only want some of section 20. You can choose those. You can also say everything or nothing. You know, if you only want a few, you could say nothing and then choose the sections or ones that you want. Then you say OK, and they are inserted and filled in. And between the form interrogatories are click and type fields where you can click to type whatever you want to say. In this case, these are little fields. You can see the highlighting goes away as soon as you type. And on the keyboard in Microsoft Word, F11 will always take you to the next field. So when you're working in a document like this, if you want to quickly get to the next one, you can just keep pressing F11 and then typing whatever you have to say.